When it comes to people's property, a Muslim should always be careful to what he is claiming for himself. As the Prophet ﷺ has said in a hadith in Muslim, that he who makes a false claim on something that is not his is not a believer. Such dishonesty will land him into hell. In this hadith, the Prophet ﷺ has said that if a person claims something that is not his, then he is not a believer. It does not mean literally that he is no longer a Muslim. Rather, what it means is that the problem of this is so severe that this action cannot be the action of a Muslim. Such actions are only or could be expected by a non-Muslim. So if a person who does not believe in Allah, who does not fear Allah, it would make sense for him to do whatever he wishes. But when a Muslim is someone who submits himself to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he is always in fear and constant reminder that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching him, such a person, when he does that, he should know that Allah is watching him, and he should not be claiming something that it does not belong to him. So here it would mean that his actions are as if the actions of someone who does not believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that is why the Prophet ﷺ has said that this dishonesty will eventually land him into Jahannam. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us and make us amongst those who are truthful. Whatever is ours, we should claim and we should fight for. There's no haraj in that. But something that we know deep down in our heart that this thing does not belong to me, a person should then leave it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and gain or claim its reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on the Day of Judgment.